Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to confirm your PayPal mail account without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your PayPal account. After you have successfully logged into your PayPal account, then you have to make sure you navigate to your notification bar right there. Click on your notification bar. Then you have to make sure you click on confirm your mail address, or better still, you can head over to your sign up mail account and then simply click on your mail address right here, and then you have the PayPal email confirmation. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on confirm my mail. Then take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to enter your login password. So straight up, I'm going to enter my login password. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on login. Then right here, click on I'm a human. Your mail has been confirmed. As you can see right here, your mail has been confirmed. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on continue. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down. And then right here, make sure you click on not now. Boom, you will be taken back to your PayPal account. It's as simple as that. So this is how to confirm your mail account with PayPal without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.